Hey guys, Rafi Consker here, Preferred Plumbing. What a late day I'm having here today. Working really hard today. Late day. Sometimes technicians don't show up. It's okay. Everyone needs a day. So I have to jump in the field again. Yeah, just don't forget, guys, that FlowTech promotion. It's till the 31st of August. Share a FlowTech video. It could be any video. It could be this one I'm doing right now. Share a FlowTech video. FlowTech anti-scale system. The most efficient and effective way to handle scale in your water to provide health and safety for your plumbing system is to install a FlowTech system. Share this video, put it on your personal feed, save $500. See you guys.